This is Toyota Prius 2014, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, all are the same. That's 1.8 engine. So I'm going to tell you how to put this car into a maintenance mode for diagnostics and troubleshooting. So this is the key. So what you have to do is to press the power switch button twice. All the lights will come on, and within 20 seconds you have to press the accelerator pedal twice, then press the brake, turn the lever to N position. This will show you that this is in N position, and then you have to press the accelerator pedal twice and then press the parking button and press the accelerator twice again. Now you can see this light is started flashing. That tells you the car is in the maintenance mode. So now what you have to do is to start the engine by pressing the brake straight away and press the start button. All the lights will go away and two lights will stay on. One is a traction light and the second one is that blinking light that tells you that's the car is in the maintenance mode. That's very simple. And if you want to take the car out of the maintenance mode, you just need to shut down the car, switch off, and then press the brake and start it again, and the car will come out of the maintenance mode. Thank you.